guys, welcome back to See Slurps MSG Mondays. It's time for another ramen hack episode. So today we're making grilled cheese, but we're making a fire noodle Samyang Buldak triple hot sauce grilled cheese. Let's get started. I would definitely recommend, if you love spicy, definitely go with a 2 times spicy because the cheese, the mayo, all that will kind of mellow it out a little bit. But it is delicious, it is sinful, it is a ton of calories, so just beware, not for the faint of heart. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell at the top so you don't miss any new episodes that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!